Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Imagine being able to identify potential trade opportunities with incredible accuracy, and enter trades with confidence, knowing that you have the power of the twin range filter on your side. The twin range filter is a revolutionary indicator that uses range filtering techniques to generate highly accurate long and short signals. It's one of the most powerful indicators on TradingView, and it can help you achieve unprecedented levels of success in your trading career. So, if you're tired of losing trades and you're ready to start skyrocketing your profits, then you need to check out the twin range filter. Search for twin range filter in the indicators tab on TradingView, and start using it to trade like a pro today. It's important to note that when using the twin range filter indicator on lower time frames, your stop loss will be smaller. This means that you're more likely to hit your stop loss, especially if your broker has high spreads. That's why I recommend using IC markets, which provides zero spreads. This will allow you to execute pinpoint trades with tighter stop losses, even on lower time frames. Link in description. Join now and start trading like a pro. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize the settings for the twin range filter indicator, so you can start making informed trading decisions and unlocking the path to consistent profitability. Let's start by going to the Settings tab and adjusting the first parameter, known as the source. For this particular strategy, we want to select the closing prices close. This will provide us with the most accurate and reliable signals for our trading decisions. Ready to optimize your twin range filter settings for maximum profitability? Let's get started. First, adjust the fast period to 25. This will help you capture more precise and responsive signals. Next, set the fast range to 15. This will optimize the accuracy of the indicator for your specific strategy. For the slow period, use 50. This will help you capture longer-term trends while maintaining a balanced responsiveness to market conditions. Finally, keep the slow range at the default value of 2. This provides a balanced and reliable indication of market trends. That's it. With these optimized settings, your twin range filter is now ready to help you make informed trading decisions and achieve consistent profitability. With its optimal settings configured, this indicator is primed to generate highly reliable signals. Watch in awe as it paints the charts with its precise and accurate markings, guiding you towards profitable trading opportunities. With a favorable risk-reward ratio of 15, you can leverage these signals to maximize your profits while minimizing your losses. So click OK and embark on a journey of trading success with the twin range filter as your trusty companion. To fully capitalize on our trend-following strategy, we need to accurately identify the current trend. That's where the incredible trend detection indicator comes in. This revolutionary tool elevates your trading to new heights by providing precise trend identification capabilities. Its insightful signals guide you in aligning your trades with the prevailing market direction. To optimize the indicator's performance, let's make some adjustments to the settings. Head over to the Settings tab and locate the length parameter under the Input section. This parameter determines the number of bars used for the calculation, representing the length of the channel. By default, it is set to 100. But we'll decrease it to 95 to align it with our strategy. This will enhance the indicator's responsiveness to the current market conditions and improve its ability to identify accurate trend signals. Next, we have the source parameter. This parameter allows you to select the input data series for the indicator. By default, it is set to the closing price close, which is commonly used. We'll stick with the closing prices as they provide a reliable representation of market trends and help us make informed trading decisions. Let's continue using the closing prices as our data source for the indicator. We want to optimize the visual presentation to identify short-term trends, so let's uncheck all the options except for average in the style section. This will ensure that only the average trend line is displayed on the chart, eliminating any unnecessary distractions. To enhance the visibility of the trend lines, let's increase the opacity of both colors to 100% and make the lines slightly bolder. This will make it easier to clearly discern the trend direction. This powerful indicator acts as a shield against false signals, significantly enhancing the accuracy of our strategy. By aligning our trades exclusively with the prevailing trend, we can greatly improve our chances of success. If the trend indicator indicates a bearish trend, we will only consider sell positions. To further enhance our trading decisions, let's incorporate the market bias indicator into our trading strategy. This indicator provides valuable insights into the long-term trend and market sentiment, empowering us to make more informed and profitable trading choices. The market bias indicator analyzes volume data to reveal the underlying strength and conviction of market participants, helping us gauge the dominant sentiment in the market. It can identify whether the market is bullish, bearish, or neutral, allowing us to align our trades with the prevailing trend. The market bias indicator is a valuable addition to our trading strategy, bolstering our decision-making process and empowering us to make more confident and profitable trading choices. The market bias indicator is a technical indicator that helps traders identify the long-term trend of a market. It is a simple but powerful tool that can be used by traders of all experience levels. To use the market bias indicator, simply adjust the period to 200. This will give you a broad view of the market and help you identify significant market movements. If the market bias indicator is green, it means that the overall market trend is bullish. This means that prices are likely to continue rising in the long term. If the market bias indicator is red, it means that the overall market trend is bearish. This means that prices are likely to continue falling in the long term. You can use the market bias indicator to confirm the long-term trend in conjunction with other technical indicators. If the market bias indicator is bullish and other technical indicators are also bullish, then you can be confident that the market is in a strong uptrend. Conversely, if the market bias indicator is bearish and other technical indicators are also bearish, then you can be confident that the market is in a strong downtrend. By incorporating multiple indicators and following predefined rules, we can establish a robust framework for our trading decisions and identify profitable long and short positions. Now that we've completely learned this strategy, let's test it on the pound sterling to US dollar chart with a 5-minute time frame. We'll see how much profit we could have made using this strategy. In just 30 trades, we achieved nearly 300% profit. This much profit in such a few trades is truly amazing. In this video, I showed you how to use this strategy on the pound sterling to US dollar chart with a 5-minute time frame. And as you saw, the results were incredible. But here's the catch: you need to use a broker with low spreads. Otherwise, your profits will be eaten up by the spread. That's why I recommend using IC Market. They offer zero spreads on the pound sterling to US dollar pair, so you can keep all of your profits. If you're ready to start making serious profits in the Forex market, click the link in the description below to open an account with IC Market today.